Welcome to Sendmeglobal. Looking for travelers. Note: before you proceed to ask for travelers, make sure the person you are about to send luggage or items to is also registered on Sendmeglobal. Make sure also that you know his or her username. Follow these steps. Click on Plus Sender. Choose the Start Country. Choose the Start City. Choose the Destination Country. Choose the Destination City. Choose the username of the receiver. Choose the item you want to send. Read and accept agreement. Click on Create Listing. You are done. You are a traveler. You are looking for senders. Do this. Click on Plus Traveler. Select Start Country. Select Start City. Select Destination Country. Select Destination City. Choose Delivery Date. Choose Delivery Time. Select Travel Type. Select Gender. Choose Items. Enter amount you like to charge. Read and accept agreement. Click on Create Listing. You are done. What next? Check your chat and notifications from time to time for possible contacts from senders and travelers.